Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. In this video, what we're going to be tackling specifically is the ignition system for this car. I did pick up previously the new Coil-packs, well, the older model, and I'm going to be swapping them out for some smart coils, which is, I believe, the Hitachi VQ Coil-packs. With these Coil-packs, you do need the igniter chip delete wiring, which I am yet to get, but I will get, and we will get that installed. So let me show what we're working with. All right, so on the table I have laid out what we are doing today, or what we're going to try to tackle today. These are the old Coil-packs I was talking about. These are all brand new. I think these are the J's replacing, or the ISR replacements. These are all brand new, and we're going to be swapping them out with the Hitachi IG7007 Coil-packs. These are VQ ones for like the 350 or 370Z ones. And I believe all we have to do is swap out two wirings or two connectors, the E and the plus. We got to get those swapped out. Switched. And they should be good to go. It should work. And then I'm going to attempt to clean up this harness. I did attempt to previously with adding a little harness cover and a little zip ties to make it look nice. But all this just looks old and janky, and it looks like it needs some cleaning. So let's get into video. Probably going to put on a time lapse, and let's get. Alrighty guys, so here is the Coil-pack harness, all cleaned up to my liking. I even put the little sheeting back and redid the ground, and it looks way nicer than before. So let's get into installing these onto that. Alright, let me show you guys how to go about de-pinning and switching out the wiring. So as you can see right over here, there is this yellow tab on top. What you have to do is take a screwdriver and just pry those up until you hear them unclip, and then take your long needle nose, go in, hold it, lift up, and then this thing should come out. That's how you go about taking off the cover to de-pin them. As far as removing the gray connector out of these is, if I can bring the focus, what you will see is that underneath these are these little tabs right over here. All you have to do is, I was using my thumb as pressure, and you just have to go in and push those tabs down, and then connector comes off. And then what you have to do is yellow goes in the middle with exchange of the one that's in the middle. So you're basically going to flip-flop these two around and then just insert the connector back on, and then they should all just clip back into place. And then as far as installing the yellow clip, there is a way these go. The bottom part where the 3 ridges goes towards the bottom, like so. And then it should clip back in. And then just for precautions, just take like a little flathead and make sure these are pressed down, and there you go. That's how you depin, switch out the pins, and repin them. Alright, so here we are with the new-ish harness and the Hitachi Coil-packs on. Make sure you take off the boots that are on the existing ones and you put them on, because this will make up the difference from the height of these. With these, as you can see, the Hitachi ones are a bit longer than the OEM style ones, and with the boot it makes up a difference for those. And then make sure you take out the ignition chip, which will control these, and you swap it out with like the Wiring Specialties one, or the I think it's PRP. I'm not sure, but I'll put a picture up so you can see which one I'm talking about. Swap it out with the injector, with the ignition chip, and then you should be good. But thank you guys for tuning in. As you can see, we have the new smart coils with a new refreshed harness, and they all clip into the connector like so, and there you go, plug and play system. Alrighty, so this is them installed onto the car. I know the bolt holes don't line up with that. They do make like a bracket, I forget which ones they are. You could get those, but because these are like so tight on here, what I'm probably gonna do is fabricate some sort of bracket that utilizes my Tomei coil pack cover, so that these are stuck on, because like these aren't going anywhere. But just for extra security, I'm just gonna make up one of those. But as you can see, that's how they fit in there. Yeah, I know the tape came off, but I mean it's gonna be covered anyway, so who cares? But that's how they fit in there, and she is all ready to go. Alright guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Like I mentioned prior, don't forget to change out the igniter chip with the Wiring Specialties, or I believe it's the PRP igniter chip delete harness. I'll throw in a picture again so you can see it, and then I'll also throw in a picture of the bracket that you can get. As you can see, like the bolt holes for the Coil-pack shifted like a couple millimeters in the other direction. So don't forget, if you want to pick that up, you can also pick it up. But I'm going to fabricate a bracket so I can avoid paying another $30 for a bracket that moves the bolt hole like 2 or 3 inches or millimeters the other way. So I mean, that's it. But don't forget, switch out the igniter chip delete, and then you should be good to go. But as you can see, the VQ coil packs are in. We have smart coils now. We no longer need to rely on the old system or the old model coil packs that uses the igniter chip, and that will save you headaches going forward. This is going to produce way better spark for you to like reach the horsepower you're obtaining to. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Until next video, thank you guys and have a good one. Bye.